Certain archive paper records may reveal the need of individualized treatment and repair to slow the process of decay and/or simply to restore them to a usable state again. This process involves a setup, an analysis, an intervention, and finally, the wrap-up of the operation. In the setup phase, you want to make sure all the necessary tools are within your reach and that you can work unencumbered on a clean surface. Start by placing the archive material on the workstation, keep it on place with weights if necessary. Now you're ready to analyze the specifics of the situation. In this particular case, we are dealing with a document that is overall fairly fragile and unstable. We call it this type of paper onion paper. But most importantly, this particular document is ripped into two different parts. It has some tear, including a significant one on the left, some minor wrinkling and damaged edges. The intervention phase begins and it's dominated by the idea of reversibility, and you want to bear in mind that your operation should be kept to a minimum. The edges can be realigned with the bond folder. After that, the areas you will work should be softened with the help of water. Humidify them with a brush. Then flatten the humidified paper with the hot iron. Finally, it is time to respond to the tears. Get pieces of Japanese tissue soaked with the starch paste glue. Spread its long fibers with the brush. Then with the tweezers, place the Japanese tissue in the most critical areas of the tear, that is, its extremities, as well as its center or centers. To wrap up, it can be helpful to envelope the final product on a proper archive grade folder to help stabilize the repaired document physically as well as chemically.